This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside Instagram with the app updated so features match what I describe. Open direct messages and tap your profile avatar at the top left to view notes. This puts you exactly where you need to be. Once you see the notes area, tap Add to start writing. Keep your message short. Notes are meant for quick context or prompts, and choose whether to share with close friends or followers you follow back, because that determines visibility immediately. You should now focus on crafting the content. Type a concise sentence or phrase, aiming for clarity and a hook that invites replies. Use 1 or 2 emojis or a line break to make the note scannable. This increases the chance someone taps to reply. Once written, tap the audience selector and choose close friends or followers you follow back, because audience choice controls who sees and can respond. Finally, tap share so your note appears at the top of inboxes for up to 24 hours. After posting, monitor incoming replies in direct messages and reply quickly to convert attention into conversation. If your note won't post or share, first make sure you have a stable connection and then force close and reopen the app. If that fails, update Instagram or check account restrictions, because these commonly block notes. Once done, you can edit or delete the note by tapping it and choosing the menu. Deleting removes it immediately and stops further replies, keeping control in your hands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.